What's happening YouTube? Charlton Charter is back with another video. And first off, start off by saying hope everyone had a happy Father's Day. I worked all day. I don't have kids of my own. I'm around a girlfriend's kids all the time. Great kids, really good relationship. But I had to work all day, so I did not get to see my dad today. But I did get to spend time with him on my off day, so kind of worked out. I'm filming this really late, so the family's sleeping, so forgive my whispering. Today, the high-end baseball explosion box. So we'll get right into it. Gonna be 5 packs. There's your list. And we will roll on in here. Alright, let's get into it. There's the weight update. 10 draft, 2012 finest. I'm my first time opening this. Bowman first edition. Bowman jumbo. Sweet. All right, let's get right into it. Right on down the line. We are looking for Kershaw and Scherzer. That'd be awesome to pull either one. Starting off with Cody Ross, Chris Iannetta, Rob Makoviak, Chase Utley All-Star, Joey Votto. That's cool. Highlights. Ryan Ludwig All-Star, Mariano Rivera, Ben Francisco. Nope. Travis Denker, rookie gold. Number 275 at 2008. That's cool. The first couple. George and Barbara Bush. Okay. Then some propaganda with David Wright. Actually, I think that's my first time opening weight update. So I had no idea about those presidential cards. I wasn't really collecting in 08. All right, 2010 draft. Looking for Arenado, Manny Machado, who just sprained his ankle pretty bad yesterday. Posey, Yelich, and Stanton. They're expecting Machado to miss several weeks. Okay, you got John Axford, rookie. Jordan Smith, rookie. Chris Okie-Dokie, first Bowman Chrome. Ryan Brett, refractor. Pat Dean. Hey, Yasmani Grandal, first Bowman. And Drew Velson. All right. 2012 finest. Harper and a Trout second year. I really like finest, so. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got him. Josh Beckett. Refractor. Cole Hamels, finest moment. Die cut. Very cool. Ryan Howard and Tim Lincecum. me give me a second here. I'm gonna sleeve up this brace. Very cool. If you haven't seen my other Rookie Explosion Box video, the volume 42, I believe it is, check that one out. I get 3 pretty good rookies all in the same pack. All right, we'll set brace right there. So that was pretty nice. All right, let's keep on going here. 22 Bowman First Edition. Whole slew of guys to look for. Mainly Khalil Watson, De La Cruz. So let's check it out here. Okay, Brandon Jaraba. Francisco Alvarez. Not numbered. Marco Luciano. Luis Verdugo. Lennon Sosa. Anthony Rodriguez. Everson Ortega. Rodolfo Nolasco. Jose Rodriguez. Sorry about that. And Pedro Pineda. I get halfway through and realize I'm not holding them up to the camera. Way to go. All right. And the final pack will be 22 Bowman Jumbo. Pretty much the exact same slew of guys we're looking for in First Edition. All right. We have Jackson Kowar. Gavin Sheets, Juan Yepez, Miguel Cabrera, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Randy Arozarena, Matt Manning, Giancarlo Stanton, Nolan Arenado, Cody Bellinger, Joey Votto, Bo Flows, Anthony Rizzo. Yeah, these two are always back to back. Manny Machado, rookie your favorite Jackson Kowar, Hi-Fi Future Henry Davis, Helio Ramos, prospect number 52, Sal Frelick, Ronnie Mauricio, Norgie Vera, sweet, Jackson Chourio, yeah, they're kind of, give me a second here, they don't want to separate. There we go. Oh, that's why. Elvis Martinez, number 475. Nice. Okay. Benny Montgomery, Vera, Pineda, Zayed Salinas, Julio Rodriguez, Isaac Pacheco, Zach Veen, Dory Lorenzo, Luis Rodriguez, and James Wood. All right. So that was it's pretty decent. Got the Martinez out of 75, or numbered to 75. And then just some cards for like PC or whatnot. Votto, Tim Lincecum. Shout out to Swing Away Sports. Ryan Howard, always liked Howard. Same with Cole Hamels, cool die cut. Grandal first, as it hit the pad there good. George and Berra. Then Rivero, Votto. And then the big hit. First card of the pack. Got the Bryce rookie out of the Topps Finest. I'm very happy with that. All right, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks again to Fillington for putting it together. Always fun. Looking forward to next month. And I will have the football box next. So, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.